Hello. It is a beautiful 17 degrees in here, and I feel every single degree. Today is the fifth and final video I wanted to do on meditation and share with you. If you watch it, it's great. And if you don't, I feel like over here I've gotten so much experience, and I'd love to hear about why you wouldn't. I just finished a meditation that focused on balance, and I've got all my candles. I did it by candlelight. I turned on the lights just so you could see me. And I feel like what's nice about this is I've gotten that much more comfortable speaking in front of a camera. I know what I want to say, and I feel like I'm a bit more focused in doing so. So it's been a pretty great experience for me. This final video, I wanted to focus more on what to do when you don't have time to meditate, or when you need to do it during the day. Just kind of collect yourself. It can be hard, but what I've found from personal experience is that the best thing you can do is to find a place to sit. And you want a place to sit because you want to let your body and mind know that you will be unwinding, you will be unloading some of the burden. The more time you can give your body and mind to prepare itself, the more efficiently it can do whatever you're trying to get it to do. In this case, we're going to find a place to sit. Just breathe. You want to empty your mind of the problem you just had. Just breathe. Let all the extra air out. Those are your old problems. Draw in some new air. After a couple nice deep breaths, look back at your problem first before you assign blame, before you think about how it's going to affect anything. Think about how you can fix it. Once you've gotten a way to ameliorate or even fix the problem, then you can focus on what you're going to do about it, and if any action needs to be taken to prevent it from happening again. A lot of times in my work, I deal with semi-skilled laborers, if you can call them that even. And I can micromanage some of them, and I can macromanage a few others, but at the end of the day, I still need to double check everything they do. And I need to be able to come at them with suggestions on how to improve themselves without blaming them. And the precise wording is difficult, it always is. But first, I fix the problem, then I try to prevent it from happening again. Other things you can do when you just do not have the time to find a place to sit, just stretch. A lot of times when we get upset, we scrunch our shoulders together and we become more tense. Just take the time to pull back, force your shoulders up and around and back. Up and around and back. Stretch the neck. And you can do this from standing position. What this is about is just reminding yourself that you need to have good posture and that you're getting tense. When we are tense, we are far more likely to continue to get tense and angry. And that's what we want to avoid after all. So that's hopefully something you can do whenever you're feeling stressed. Just lean back just that much. Pull your shoulders back. Other things that I find incredibly healthy. Eating and drinking. When I get stressed, one of the first things I want to do is to grab an apple or grab a pepper, sweet bell peppers actually, and just eat them, then drink them. I'll open up the water, I'll sit down, and I'll enjoy my apple. I'll eat my pepper raw, just like that, and I'll feel so much better after. It's just a nice snack to help you calm yourself, to refocus yourself, and a lot of times I tend to get angry when I'm hungry, and I don't realize how hungry and thirsty I can get when I'm in the middle of running around. So, this is just a brief little video, a snippet even, of what I feel are the most effective ways to collect your thoughts and do some mindful breathing exercises while you're busy. It's almost Christmas, and I hope it's everything you wanted this year. I think a lot of people could use a great Christmas.